Just have a quick video here. These are the iSport Super Slim made by Monster. I had a problem with these ones. They seem to not want to turn on. And when you click the button, you should hear a click like this. And there wasn't a click happening there, so I popped this open, and actually I was surprised at how easy it pops open. You can use a tool, or I was actually able to just use my fingernails, and the top pops off. And inside you've got the 3 buttons there, and this middle one here, it seemed like as soon as I popped it off, the buttons started working again, but it may have been that this was not on properly or something. But I have had experience with these kind of buttons before, where eventually they'll stop working depending on how much you use them. But what you can do is you can take it and peel it off, and if it's stuck in the down position, it's not going to work properly. You should get that click noise. If it's stuck down, you can peel it off, just put a slight little bend in the dome so that it keeps it up, and then stick it back down, and usually that fixes it. But I just wanted to show how easy it is that this pops open, and maybe it'll help somebody else out. And it just pops on like that. Like I said, I've got 2 here, and they both open up the same way. So they open up pretty easy. So that was it. I just wanted to show you quickly how a stuck button, and I noticed right away that the center button was not clicking like it is now. So there was something going on there. Maybe there was some dirt or something got inside, and as soon as I opened it up, it freed it up, or maybe the actuator inside of here was twisted over or something. So just popping this cover off and popping it back on actually seemed to fix it. Nice easy fix. So there you go. Talk to you later.